So welcome to my channel. In this video we will explore how to transfer files from Checkpoint Management Server or Checkpoint Gateway using expert mode. Whether you are handling backups, logs or configuration files, knowing how to efficiently transfer files is essential for smooth operations. So let's get started. So to transfer files, we need to use WinSCP. So we open WinSCP here. Here we can see that we can choose SFTP, SCP, FTP and two other protocols. But in Checkpoint we can use SFTP or SCP. So we can, in this case, we can use SFTP. Here the host name, the IP address 10.0.0.200, username and password. But to enable, and this will show us this error. So because we did not enable SCP or SFTP, so we need to switch to expert mode. This change allows us to bypass the limitations of the Clish shell. So if you try to connect, we will see this error. But we need to go to expert mode here. And now we can check what shell do we use. So we can use this command chsh, press enter. We see that we use the CLISH shell, and that will not, WinSCP cannot log in if this shell is used. So in this case we need to change to the bin bash shell. So we can do it like this. So bin bash, press enter. So shell changed. So now if we try again with WinSCP, so log in here, continue. So now we could log in. And this is my home directory. So if we use ls here, you see these files, polycsh, sed.txt, you see the same files here. So for example, if we need to generate the configuration file and copy it to the outside host, so we can test here. So clish, for example, c show configuration, and then send that to a text file, config.txt. So ls, we can see that now we have this file here. And if we back there, and we can click for refresh somewhere here, we can see this file, config text. And now we can move it to our desktop like this. Yes, because we already have another file, config. And now we can open it in Notepad and start maybe save it for as a backup or to edit it. So we can go there. Here is our file. So now, because if we log out, so exit and exit, if we try to log in now, we will go directly to the expert mode. So as you can see here, directly to the expert mode, and that is not recommended. So when we are done transferring files, we need to go back to the CLI shell. So chsh admin. So here we can see that our shell now is bin bash. So now we can change it to etc CLI.sh. Okay, so now we can test again. exit, open it. We can test now again, log in there, and we will go to the Klishmo shell, as you can see here. So that was for this video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.